Hey everyone, so are you running into an installation error with Notepad++? Maybe the installer fails, gives an error message, or stops midway. That can be really frustrating, especially if you just want to get coding or edit text files quickly. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Notepad++ installation errors in 2026, and most of these fixes only take a few minutes. First, make sure your computer meets the system requirements for Notepad++. It needs a compatible Windows version and sufficient storage space. Next, right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator. This ensures the installer has the permissions it needs to modify system files. Sometimes antivirus software blocks the installer. Temporarily disable your security software or add the installer to an exceptions list, then try installing again. If you had a previous installation of Notepad++, leftover files might cause conflicts. Uninstall any old version and delete leftover folders from the installation directory. Make sure you download the latest installer from the official Notepad++ website. Outdated or corrupted installers can fail during installation. Sometimes outdated Windows files can prevent installations. Check for updates and install any pending Windows updates before trying again. If the installer still doesn't work, you can try the portable version of Notepad++. It doesn't require installation and can run directly from a folder. And that's it. Most Notepad++ installation errors can be fixed by running the installer as administrator, clearing old files, or using the portable version. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.